Ang
Actually,
saya lang.
tama po yung sinabi niyo, ang saya lang. Yung na-pressure, yung masaya lang kami talaga, lumalabas kami. We enjoy our time together, we explore, we go on adventures, we eat the best food together. So I think foundation din in starting a relationship should be finding out kung ano yung mga interests niyo, kung swak ba yung mga interests niyo. So far po, parang swak.
Kampante ka sa kanya, no? Kasi nakikita ko, pag inuman, parang okay na okay, mati pa gano'n.
Halos nakasabit na ako sa
Oo. Parang kulang, parang wala kang pake, basta nag-enjoy lang kayo dalawa.
Okay.
We're happy for you, Stu.
Thank you po. I'm happy for you.
Ikaw naman, Diego. Kumusta naman ang status ng relationship mo now?
With who?
Marami ba?
No, my life has been so boring.
Wala talaga.
Di ba nakapanibago guys? Wala kayong
na.
inaano sa akin? It's different now, bro. I mean, I'm happy for Sue, but I'm also very inggit.
So wala?
Huh?
Wala na yun?
Wala. If you know somebody, please introduce them to me. I'm on the market, I'm available.
Totoo yan, ha?
Let them know. Guys, if you kidding.
Thank you.
I guess my relationship right now, numero uno, is my daughter. But syempre, that's different. I'm there for my daughter, but it's also nice to feel loved by somebody. Iba pa rin yung feeling na, yun nga, I mean, if there is somebody I'm talking to, siguro yung kulang lang is the reciprocation talaga. If you don't see that, if you don't find that in that person, nawawalan ka rin, parang, is this one-sided? Is this worth the time? Will I get anything out of this? Are we just wasting time? Will I be in the tabloids in a couple months because nasira na naman tong relasyon nito? I don't know. Am I gonna find out? Maybe, probably, let's see. I don't know anymore. Like my character, I think talaga you shouldn't try and control everything because the more you do, the more you lose control. So right now, I'm just going with the flow. But again, if you do know anybody, please send them my number. Please.